Hey there everyone, I wasn't expecting to do another video from my chair so soon, but one of our longest time supporters, Vitas Povilaitis, someone who's supported us all the way back to the release of Strange Death, has been a constant supporter on our Patreon, someone who's supported my art, someone who's just done so much for us as a channel, has done more for us again. He sent me a grab bag, a huge box here full of books. So we're going to do an unboxing here and see what Vitas sent. But Vitas is, without even opening this, I know Vitas is such a supporter, not just of our channel, but of comics in general. I'm suspecting that a lot of these are things that he backed on Kickstarter just to help support people, things like that. Books that he's gotten read that supported him, and then he's running out of room in his apartment, things like that. So every now and then Vitas just cleans out some of his books and he'll send them around to different people, and I'm one of the people that gets lucky enough to get some of Vitas's books. So thank you so much, Vitas, for sharing. Some of these I'll probably read and review on the channel. Some of them won't be for me, and I take those in and I have them in my classroom. So like we have Vitas sent this amazing Frank Frazetta book I have in my classroom, and a few other comics that I put in there. So I'm sure there's going to be some stuff in here that's super beneficial to my students as well. So thank you very much, Vitas. You're supporting like the channel, my students, myself. It's very awesome. Appreciate it. So let's see what Vitas has sent here. The post office ripped a hole, so I took a peek. There's a lot of hardcovers, which is crazy. So kind. And some of these, like this is something that he hasn't even opened. He backed it and hasn't even opened it. So the Art of Dune, that's very cool. This is for the art for the movies, maybe? Insight edition, Law Point. I mean, this is a really nice hardcover book. So yeah, this is the kind of stuff too that I take it to work, because I have so many students interested in animation and things like that, that this is a real blessing for them to be able to see that. So I can't wait for that for my students. Blade Runner 2019 by Mike Johnson, Michael Green, and Andres Guanaldo. This looks like a Tommy Lee Edwards cover, maybe? So, Titan Comics, okay. I know them. I don't know if that would have been a Kickstarter. Dangerous Curves. Some sexy 90s art there. Holy crap. Wow. Yes, you're crazy. The Trap, this looks amazing. Beautiful book. I recognize some of these names. Yeah, I'll be doing reviews on a lot of these, I think. Wow, Vitas, oh my god, man. Collection of Creepy, the Dark Horse Archives. Wow, I'm like totally stunned. Jesus. Oh, this is classic too. Is this the Al Williamson? Yeah, classic. Al Williamson doing stats. Okay, yeah, super fucking stoked about these. Holy crap. A whole bunch of these. Volume 1, 2, 5, wow. Some old school heavy metal. These will be fun. Those will be super fun. But yeah, Moebius, Von Baudet. I'm seeing on the cover. Oh, this is cool. I remember this one. This was one that was hanging around. When I went to Kubert School, I lived in, not the mansion, which is where Ed Piskor lived. He was in the mansion. I was in the, it was called the Carriage House. And I remember this, when was this? I bet this was in 2000, because that's 99, 2000. Is that what this was? No, 93. Okay, so either Wendell Illibon or James, I forget James's last name, had some heavy metals. Those are the first ones I ever saw. First time I ever saw heavy metal. And I remember this one hanging around because I really like this cover. And I remember seeing Frazzato's work for the first time. The little, like, he draws little gnomes and stuff. Oh, these are cool. Yeah, a whole bunch of heavy metal. Spectrum, these will be awesome for my students too. Like Donato Giacomo right there on the back. Yeah, I used to get these when I was in community college. I probably had this one here, Spectrum 9. Like I remember that painting. He also is big in the Art Renewal Center competitions that I was able to place in one time. Because I was reading books like this when I was a kid, I aspired to that, and I actually did place in a competition that this guy regularly wins in. Yeah, thank you, Vitas. My students are going to love these. These were the most inspiring things I had when I was like beginning moving from comics into painting and expanding my skill set in that direction. These books were so vital. Oh yeah. Vitas, this is gold, man. This is absolute gold. All of this. Yes. Next generation artists can be trained on these, promise. And then some floppies in here too. Another big Spectrum. Is that John Jude Palancar? No. Ah, this is gonna be fun. These have like after I quit buying them too. It'll be fun. Sean Tan. Okay, all kinds of cool stuff. Oh, Incredible Hulk by Donny Cates and Ryan Ottley. I love Ryan Ottley. I didn't buy this though, so that's exciting. Yeah, I'm super stoked on all of this. Wow, Boston Metaphysical Society. This looks like something that was probably kickstarted. Looks pretty good. Mike Barron. Wow, Off-Worlder. That's old school. And then this looks Abyssal Albion. Looks like another Kickstarter one maybe. I don't see a company on it. Virus. Same thing maybe a Kickstarter. Frank Miller Presents Pandora. Okay, I didn't know he had that. Another one. I guess it's a whole series with Andy Kubert. Adam Kubert? Which Kubert? It just says Kubert. Joe? Is Joe Kubert trying? No. What the heck? I didn't know he had that. I just read the Ronin. I got the Ronin one. Wow. How many issues of this are there? What the heck? And then Skull Masquerade. This looks like another Kickstarter. And it's got a print on the back. How? Oh, and then a Batman White Knight by Sean Murphy. Oh, this is with someone else drawing, but Sean Murphy writing. Okay, cool. I love Sean Murphy's stuff. Yeah, one of the best artists today. This artist, I don't know off the top of my head, but he has phenomenal taste. So this looks like Katana Collins, maybe, is the artist on here. America Andoff, I know that name. Okay, this might have a few different artists on it. Yeah, a few different artists. Okay, cool. Well, I think like the proper grammatical thing to say is that's it. But I don't feel like that's right in the spirit of it. This is, yeah, just, I can't, yeah, thank you, Vita. So this is so much money's worth of stuff. Yeah, well, we're going to share it with students. We're going to share it with the channel. We really appreciate it. And keep an eye peeled, Vitas. I think we might have some sneaky things showing up in your mailbox, because this is truly a wonderful gift. I really appreciate it. So thank you, Vitas, and everyone keep tuned. We'll take a look at some of these books.